Hey, it's Jackson here from the Dynamic Deans RC YouTube channel. And I wanted to talk about our Cessna 150T that we've had for about 7 to 8 months now. And this was a trainer plane for me. And it was also kind of a plane for my dad to get back into the hobby because he had been out for quite a while. So we started off with some little teeny tiny planes we found on Amazon. And then we decided to move back up to Alaska, and then we bought this beast, and then we bought the Cub, the Carbon Cub SS 2.1. And my dad really loved this plane as a tail dragger, but me and my dad had some really rough landings, and we had to convert it to a front nose landing gear because it was just not going to work anymore with the tail dragger. But we decided to keep the tail wheel on, and actually my dad likes it better as a tricycle gear plane. And when we first took it out, we were still getting into the programming and stuff like that, and we didn't set up safe correctly, and he plowed it into the ground. You'll probably be seeing this on the screen somewhere, and oh my god, it just plowed. So that wasn't what we had to do for the conversion. I was mainly the purpose of the conversion because I slammed it into the ground multiple times. But other than that, my dad actually likes it a lot now. I like it a lot. I definitely recommend it. It does rolls really good. It does loops really good. It just is really good at aerobatics. Like, really good. It's a nice calm flyer if you're not like into flying super acrobatics. And also, I wanted to talk about its hovering. It hovers really good. I think if you wanted to hover a lot better, you might want to change the prop, but we didn't have to. I just thought about bringing it up, and it was staying in the air. And that tail wheel really helps for my landings because when you're coming in, you kind of have to flare to get a nice landing, and the tail wheel touches, and then we land. And also when I'm taking off, it takes off, and it lets the tail wheel on the ground, and then it takes off. But yeah, I definitely recommend this plane. I also wanted to talk about our giveaway. We're giving away a plane at 500 subscribers. All you have to do to enter is like, comment, subscribe. We're giving away a plane from either Horizon Hobby, FMS Hobby, Tower Hobby, Banana Hobby, and Hobby King. So like I said, all you have to do to enter is like, comment, subscribe. Bye!